Hope you're doing well today. We're going to be unboxing the Pixel 9 Pro. This is the 6.3-inch Pixel device, the new one that just came out. We're going to go ahead and get it out of the box here. We got this directly from Google. So we'll see how the whole experience is here. Okay. So it just comes in a little cardboard box. And then we have the new Pixel phone here. So we have a little guide on how to help get the phone set up. And then we have the box. Looks like they have reduced their packaging since I've last done an unboxing, which would have probably been their Pixel 6 Pro, which I currently have. So they have reduced this quite a bit. Typically you'd have like the thicker box, a lot of wasted cardboard probably. All right. So let's see how we slide this out of here. Assuming, oh, is there gonna be something fancy here? Got little arrows on the back. It looks like you peel these off. And then that allows it to maybe slide out more freely. Maybe. Well, they definitely did improve the unboxing experience. Alright, we're going to just rip it. See, that's the cost you pay for going more minimalist with your packaging. It's not quite as enjoyable. Alright, looks like we got something in the back of the package there. Here we have the phone itself, which just comes out of the package. And behind the phone, we have our USB Type-C charging cable. That's it. No power adapter, so it does have wireless charging, or they'd at least give you a cable, but you're going to need your own power block for that. And I believe this supports up to 75 watts of charging. So I've looked at some possible chargers. If you want to take advantage of the quick charging, you would need to get a additional charger that would support that. Here's the little booklet, QR code, and then you've got what I'm going to guess here is the little tool for the SIM card removal. And then that's it for the packaging. Very simple. And for the phone itself, it has on the wrapper showing you where the buttons will be for power, volume, that the fingerprint scanner is on the screen. And then on the bottom, we have a symbol for charger and then a symbol for the SD card. Nothing on the back. This feels like it is all paper. Again, them going very green in their approach of making sure everything in this box can be recycled, which which is true. I can take this, I can take all of this and this can all be recycled. I haven't seen any plastic, so they're definitely making a statement with that there. So there you have it. That is the Pixel 9 Pro, and boy, does it look a lot like an iPhone. Yeah, I mean, definitely they're a better design. Let me show you the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, this Pixel 6 I have is the XL, so it is going to be a little bit bigger, but you can just see they've come a long way in, adding some more curvature to it. The camera, I don't know. Maybe you like this design where it's all the way across. Here, it's kind of its own little module. It does seem like it's a bit cleaner in the manufacturing of it, a little less clunky. It does look to be a little thicker. That could just be, yeah, I have to look at the actual specs. I think it's just because this used the rounded edges, and then this has the more flat edge on it. This was the comparison there. This is the XL. This is the Standard Pro. So the Standard Pro, I went for just to have something that would fit in my hand a little bit better. Try it out. It's $100 less than the XL, and I have enjoyed the larger phone, but you know, with the smaller phone here, you can kind of get your finger all the way across, whereas in the larger XL phones, you kind of struggle to get that all the way across. So that is the unboxing of the Pixel 9 Pro. You can see there on the bottom, ports. Give you a look all the way around. So there you have it, Pixel 9 Pro. I will do a full review of this shortly. Once I get a chance to power it on and give thoughts on it, I will be comparing it to the Pixel 6 Pro, which it's been about 3 years, so there may be a lot of you out there that are wondering if you should upgrade to the latest Pixel. I'll give you my thoughts on my experience with it. I've seen a lot of reviews that kind of go feature by feature that it is definitely an upgrade, but at least let you know from my usage of it if it makes sense to me. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you all in the next video.